So I'm gonna get you while you're working, but I had a question come in from the YouTube channel.
Okay.
We made a video together a couple of years ago, I think, and you were like, yeah, it's best to go ahead and clean the ductwork before you seal.
When there's a bunch of dust and debris inside the ductwork, it makes the surface inside the ductwork a lot harder to stick to. So if you clean all of that away first, it's a rougher texture. The sealant has a better surface to be able to stick to. And so it's able to stick a lot better than if you don't clean it. You could still seal it without the clean and then clean it later, but it's a lot easier and it doesn't take as long to seal if you clean it first.
The subscriber was like, can you clean after you seal? Is that gonna mess up the sealant?
The nice thing with the sealant is it stays pretty hard-ish after it dries. It'll still be kind of squishy-ish, but it's a little bit harder than it is when we first seal it. You can clean it afterwards, actually. About this time last year, we had sealed a homeowner's house 6 years ago. I was able to clean her ductwork. She asked me to do a pressure test to make sure everything still held. So I pulled up her information, saw what it was, did a pressure test and matched the two, and it didn't change a bit. So everything stayed, it didn't get interrupted. And that was testing it after we cleaned it, 6 years after we sealed it. Okay. So everything held. So the really nice thing about it is the seal is one and done.